Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this black fake eyes filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Just tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, from the trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for black fake eyes. Okay, the second one with 960.0k videos. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, so tap on the search button and here search for fake black eyes filter. Okay, you will see the effect icon on the top. Just tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Wait for it. Okay, this is the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, there are lots of video, tap on any video you want. As you can see on the bottom left corner, the effect icon is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you will get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.